Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how to change image height and width using CSS. So you already know how to add an image in HTML file. So now we will going to learn how to change height and width using CSS. So it's a very simple process. First, we're going to learn change width and height directly. So for that, what you have to do, you just need to have to type over here img. Give the curly bracket. Into the curly bracket, you just need to type over here width. And if you want to give the width into 300 pixel, if you just save it, and now if you type over here height and give the height about 200 pixel, and if you just save it, and now if you just refresh it, as you can see right now, your picture's height and width will looks like this. Basically, it's the exact saying that how I am going to see my picture into this website. So it's a very direct way to using height and width. We can do it in another way. It's called using percentage. So using percentage is like make the picture half size of the container it's in. So I will going to use percentage. So for that, if I just type over here, or if you just give the width into 50%, and now if I save it, at this time your picture will looks like this. So we can change the height and width another way to limit the maximize size. So what we're going to do over here, like we're going to type over here max height. We're going to give it 400 pixel, and then we're going to type over here max width. So for that, we're going to type over here 100%. You can also give the pixels too. It can keep your picture from getting too big. It can grow but not too much. So what it is, if you just save it, and now if you refresh it, as you can see, it looks like this. So now if you just slightly looking at this, if you just look at this like this, maximize it, you can see how much you just minimize this, it will looks the same height and width. As you can see, if you just scroll down a little bit, it will not maximize then 400 pixel and the 100% width, you can see. So now if we just do another way to change the height and width, so what we can do, we can keep the picture shape. So what it means, if we just give the width or a 300 pixel and give the height 200 pixel, and then if we relate an object fit and give it cover, and now if we can save it, and now if you refresh over here like this, you can see over here that we added a new attribute called object fit with cover. It's not the original size of this picture, but if you want to cover, type this attribute called cover into this object fit. So in this way, you can simply change the height and width for images in CSS using. So this is how we can simply change height and width in HTML file using CSS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.